I wonder what's in this box. I don't remember what I ordered. Let's see what it is. Oh, look at that. It's a Pixel 4. That's so fancy. Oh, look at these little arrows and where you should pull up the tabs. Alright. This is pretty exciting. Look at that. It's pretty slick looking.
Yeah. Do you think it's bigger than your old phone?
It's much bigger than my old phone. My old phone is like that big. It's the XL version.
Did you want an XL version?
I did, yeah.
Won't it feel heavy in your pocket though? Like
It does feel kind of heavy.
way down your pocket?
Maybe a little bit. But I think it's not that bad.
You can get a man purse.
I'll get a Merce. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Here.
I can see your face in the reflection.
It's okay. Before I completely open it, I'm going to get the screen protector. It has a glossy back.
Oh, that's a nice back.
I kind of wish I would have got the white one or the orange one.
Why?
I don't know. I think it would be something different. But it's okay. This is good too. Let's see what else is in the box.
Oh, it has a pen in it.
Doesn't it have a pen?
Yeah.
No, that's just
Oh.
the side of the phone.
Oops.
Are you filming the carpet or are you filming me? On the
Oh,
phone?
I was filling the phone.
Okay, let's see what else there is. There's a SIM tool remover and a bunch of user guides, which I am not going to read.
No surprise. What is that? Oh, it comes like all wrapped up. Nice and wrapped.
So this is the power cord. Hey, you're not filming the power cord. The power cord.
There's a doggy.
This is the
No.
this is the power brick. And this seems to be a USB-C to USB adapter. There we go.
That looks pretty cool.
I kind of wish I would have had a USB-C to a headphone adapter instead of a USB to a USB-C to a USB adapter. I think a headphone adapter would be more useful.
Yeah.
Well, let's put this away. And let's put on the screen protector. Stop recording.
Hi, Peanut.